Hello, in this video we are going to learn how to create this effect on PowerPoint. First of all, we remove from our slide everything that the slide contains. Step number 1. Change the background of our slide. Be careful not to add a shape, but just to change the screen font of our slide, because if we add a shape in the next step, certain effects won't work. Now we're going to add as many slides as we want by copying and pasting our first slide. Changes the images on each slide. Step number 2, add a dark effect. Now, we are going to add a shape to each slide to create a darkness effect using a rectangular shape with gradient opacity. Once this is done, we will copy and paste this shape we just created onto each slide. Step number 3, add shape effect. At this stage, we are going to add shapes randomly and click on Slide Background Fill so that the shapes take on the color of the background we set initially. This is why I previously advised you to change the slide background directly rather than adding a shape with an image. If we had added a shape with an image, the effect would have added a white background corresponding to the initial color of the slide. Once the shapes are added, we copy and paste them onto all the slides, changing their size so we can animate them in the next steps. Add photos of slides in a shape. At this stage, we are going to add as many shapes as there are slides. In my case, I will add 5 circles and resize them while holding down the Shift key to adjust each side proportionally. Once this is done, I will add an image to each circle in the order in which they will appear. The largest circle will be the image of the current slide, and the smaller circles will be the images of the upcoming slides. Then, once that's finished, I copy and paste the 5 shapes I've just added into each slide. Step number 5, AD the Morph Effect. Select all the slides by holding down the Shift key, and then add a Morph Effect to create transition effects when the presentation is launched. Once you've done that, run the presentation to see the results, subscribe to see more tutorials like this one,